it's probably the most special day of the year. This day today. So what's the celebration today, and what's the most important day of the year?
It's one of the most important. What do you think of the waterfall, mate? Beautiful? Yum.
That's the natural hot water.
That's the natural hot water. That is hot.
Yeah.
Gone into Cairns today to get the car serviced, so we are without a vehicle, but lucky enough our caravan park is walking distance to the town of Herberton, and we are hoping to find what shop?
Lolly shop.
Yeah. Lolly! The lolly shop. Yum.
Can I have one of these?
No, from the middle table, so you can choose anything from here. How good's that? It's a mile long, it says. I reckon it's like a metre long.
Big.
That's a little bit extreme, isn't it? Bubblegum, Sourfield. Whoa.
Okay, so we just come down and spent the afternoon at the Herberton Historic Village. I think it's $20 a kid and $35 for an adult. But it's yeah, definitely worth the money coming in. They got heaps to see, and I'm surprised we didn't hear more about it. We only sort of stumbled across it.
Yeah, it's a bit like Sovereign Hill if you've ever been there before. Yeah, it's very much like Sovereign Hill. It's from the same kind of era, the 1890s, I think it is, the gold rush time. So this is an old mining town, Herberton, and what they've done is they've relocated all the original buildings to this site. So they've not been built just for the sake of the museum. They're actual authentic buildings. So I reckon that's super good.
Now we use our phones.
Anne married Charles Hoskin and they emigrated from Cornwall to Geelong.
Oh, really?
In 1853. They had 10 children.
10 children of what?
Why would you have 10 of you? Yuck. JK.
There's all the machinery they used to make pet food.
This is really cool.
Going to school, Ted? Want to sit down? Do a bit of a class.
Okay. Sit down, students.
All right, come on, students, sit down.
Sit down.
All right.
Otherwise I'll have to cane you.
Naughty one's at the back, up the back, Ted. Naughty.
Yeah, you're a left-hander, so you actually need to go at the back. I need to punish you for being a left-hander. Up you go.
No.
Okay, hands in laps. Not on the table. Sit up straight.
Okay.
Only speak when spoken to.
Dad, come.
That's teeny tiny.
I'm going backwards.
Go.
I'm going backwards.
Yes, you are. come out today to the INOSSI hot springs, which is maybe an hour south of where we're staying in Herberton, near Atherton. And yeah, we're pretty excited, or I'm pretty excited anyway,
No, it's 50.
to bathe in a hot spring. So we'll go in and check it out.
No, it's 50. 50 minutes.
That's nice. That's perfect. I don't think I'd want it any hotter than this. Oh, here. Yeah, that's like hot.
I was going to say that's the cold water. And this is the hot water.
Oh, I see. So this is the natural.
That's the natural hot water.
That's the natural hot water. That is hot.
Yeah.
So it was. How much was it for us to get in? $10 each.
$10 each.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
So, which isn't so bad, I guess, if you're going to spend the whole day. And the lady at the front said that there's a pub next door and they do like special meals every other night. So tonight they're doing wood-fired pizza, but I don't know if we're going to stick around, but they're doing that. And they also do lunch. I think they're doing fish and chips for lunch. And it looks like it's a caravan park or something, or a low-cost camp over that way.
Nothing low cost about it.
No? Is it a regular?
Hey?
How much is it, do you know?
I think for a family of 4 it's like $47 or something.
Oh, okay, so it's just standard. Okay, we've tested out pool number 1. Now we're going to go up a step into the warmer pool number 2. Oh, it's cold out here. If you're coming to the Tablelands, just be prepared for a colder climate. It's amazing. It's at least 5 degrees colder, probably more.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, this is perfect. What do you think of the second pool? Better than the first one?
No, this one's better.
This one's better? Yep.
There's more in there, but you guys are not allowed to go in there because it's too hot.
So just over here through this gate are the super hot pools, and children under 16 aren't allowed in there. So Lee and I might go in separately and test them out. The hottest pool gets up to 45 degrees, which is crazy that that's just come out of the ground. So we will test it. But yeah, kids can't go in, unfortunately, but I don't think they'd enjoy it anyway. The spas were super good, weren't they?
Yeah, they
Or
were
the
cool.
hot springs, I should say.
Yeah, worth a look. They
Yeah.
weren't that exciting, but they were cool. Angie liked it.
I loved it. I love stuff like that. But yeah, Lee and the kids got pretty bored pretty quickly, so I think we were there for maybe an hour.
Yeah, I thought they were nice.
Yeah.
Like they had really hot ones and medium ones and cool ones, but I don't know. I didn't find it that riveting, but
It's not designed to be riveting. It's relaxing. Just walked down about 100 metres from the car park to the Milla waterfall. How beautiful is that?
like picture perfect.
What do you think of the waterfall, mate? Beautiful? Rate Zilly as opposed to Milla.
Yeah, it's just different. It was more wild and Yeah, rustic. But yeah, this one was awesome. Cool little walk in. Pretty muddy, but that's part of the fun, I suppose.
It's more of a climb than a walk, but you could stop at, there's like a viewing platform at the top that you could stop at. We just kept going and you just climb over all these rocks to get there. But then Milla's like at the bottom of the car park, so there's something for everyone.
Yeah, there's one more to check out, so we'll see how it goes.
Up the waterfall trail, and that's definitely worth doing if you're out in Atherton. Definitely make maybe a half day for it. We might even...
You could do a full day, I reckon. If it wasn't, it's a bit drizzly for us, but if it's a sunny day, you do your lunch, you could easily do a day.
I reckon the rain's good in a way though, because then it was like the waterfalls are more full. Maybe, I don't know. I really enjoyed that though. That was nice. So we're in the fossil gallery at the moment. Oh, there's fluorescent minerals. That sounds cool.
What is fluorescent? Oh yeah, I know.
Do you remember what fluorescent means?
Light up in the dark.
Yeah, you might need your head
see
torch.
them.
Can you?
Behind you.
Should we go in? Which way do you want to go? You want to go this way first? Okay, take it slow, honey. We can be in here as long as we want to, which is good. It's all self-guided.
Look, they're fluorescent.
Wow. So someone tried to steal this gigantic amethyst geode. So instead of locking it away so no one can see it, they've made a rose quartz crystal brook, which allows you to get up close and be photographed with it. Citrine, I love citrine. Oh, it's a carving. Crystal caves proud to present this mysterious Chinese lapis lazuli.
Oh, that's really blue.
Sculpture. Hand carved from a single piece of lapis lazuli. Should we go through? Is your helmet light off?
Yes. And there's another wall.
Gotta go through 2 curtains. 1 curtain. Oh, there's fish. Aren't they lucky to live in there with all those crystals? So, this morning it's a very special day, isn't it?
It's Daddy's birthday.
It's Dad's birthday, and how old is he turning?
He's 40 and look what we got here.
He's turning 40, so we've organised a little surprise for him.
Birthday party.
It's a bit windy, so the balloons aren't behaving, but that's okay. They still look good, guys. And then we've got all these presents here. So we're just waiting for him. He's had his coffee in bed, and he's just getting dressed. He's going to come out here. He's going to open his presents. I can't believe he's 40. Can you believe he's 40?
Yep, and one of them is a chainsaw.
One of them's a chainsaw. Yeah. Yep, very practical presents when we're travelling. That's what we're all about. That's all he wanted, wasn't it? A chainsaw. Chainsaw. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pip.
Wow, thanks.
It's only dangerous.
Oh, it's a chainsaw.
I know it's dangerous.
Yeah. Wow.
Daddy's birthday breakfast. What are we having?
Toast and pancake.
Bacon, eggs and maple syrup.
So strange. Have you got maple syrup and tomato sauce?
Yes.
Really?
Mm.
Why?
Why not? Is the question.
It is your birthday, so you can do whatever you want.
Alright, so it's probably the most special day of the year. This day today. So what's the celebration today, and what's the most important day of the year?
It's one of the most important. It's Lee's big 4-0. Yay! Happy birthday, babe.
Happy birthday, Dad.
So we're about to have a day out. We're going out for lunch. Bit of a drive, just south of Herberton, and then we'll be back in time in the Arvo to watch the Catters play, which I organised for Lee as well. You're welcome.
Looking forward to it.
Alright, we've arrived at Mungali Creek Dairy and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'll just quickly show you the view. Look at the beautiful hills that we're in. We visited another dairy a little under a week ago called Gallo. I didn't get any footage of that, unfortunately, but a very different vibe. It was kind of closer into Atherton, is what I'm trying to say. This is, a bit further out, further south of Atherton, about 40-minute drive from where we're staying in Herberton, and hopefully it's worth the drive. Are you vibing?
I don't know. So much yummy stuff.
What did...
How is it, mate? Teddy? Good? Please, that's my cream. What'd you think of Mungali Creek Dairy?
That's good.
Yeah?
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yeah, we even got some stuff to bring home. Have a look.
So we've got a blue vein, feels like a hard cheese, and the kids love pepper cheese, so we've got a cracked pepper, and some salami and biggies. So we're heading back now and we're going to go watch the footy in the van.
Already got a big game feel about it, this one. Stanley slapped it. Outside of the hand, but it's going to be the impressive young Josh Ward with the free.
Going back to some warmth. Look at me, we're Northern Queensland and I'm jumper, trackies. I even had moccasins on yesterday.
We did.
So anyway, we're heading about 2.5 hours south of here, and yeah, I just checked the weather and it's like 35 degrees and it's warm again. Go down, find a little spot down there for a couple of days, and then we'll go to Cobalt Gorge and meet up with a family that we made friends with, and spend 4 days with them down there and explore Cobalt Gorge, and then I think we'll go down to Porcupine National Park. That looks pretty cool on Wiki Camp, so we'll go check that out and then start making our way west.